When it comes to business English, you want to mix up your vocabulary as much as possible. So here's some great synonyms for important, broken down by formality in business English. First one, vital, vital, crucial, crucial, key, key, major, major. Many students confuse this with mayor, and mayor is the head of a city, and that's written with a Y. Major. Major means important. Major. Huge. Huge. Big time. Big time. This is a vital meeting for our company. This is a crucial meeting for our company. This is a key meeting for our company. This is a major meeting for our company. This is a huge meeting for our company. This is a big time meeting for our company.